Hi, my name is Reba Dockery. I would like to first thank you for allowing me the opportunity to present to you the 2019-2020 Higher Ground Technology Plan. In order to be an effective leader in 21st century educational technology, it is important to integrate technology across the curriculum. We must join together as leaders, faculty, and community to provide each student with access to the most efficient methods of technology today. It is all of our responsibility to help students become leaders of tomorrow. I would like to begin with the mission and value statements. The mission of this plan is to prepare students for the 21st century by engaging learners in meaningful experiences and to provide students and staff with relevant tools and data necessary to enhance critical thinking and technological advancement. The vision is to develop critical thinkers, to develop advanced proficiency in technology, and to prepare students for tomorrow's workforce. The plan consists of three separate goals that include strategies, expected outcomes, evaluation measures, timelines, and budget for each goal. The first goal is to upgrade broadband speed and add access points throughout the school district. Each school will be equipped with a smartboard and 20 iPads for each classroom. This will ensure that all students have equal access to the internet and the equipment necessary to implement the new technology into learning. Goal 2 is to provide 2 to 3 professional development opportunities that will enhance understanding of the new technologies. Staff, teachers, and administrators will work together to develop resources and curriculum that will include new ways of teaching and learning through technology. The third goal is to develop techniques that will improve student achievement, enhance learning, develop appropriate curriculum, and teach students to become more digitally literate. As it states in the article, Technology Integration Lesson Planning in 4 Easy Steps, actions need to take place to assure that students are prepared for the use of technology. These actions include determining students' existing knowledge, decide, deciding how new knowledge will be acquired, and selecting methods of assessment for evaluation. Eric Schinninger's 6 elements that drive change will be implemented to allow faculty and staff to embrace the change of increased technology use for instruction. These 6 elements include connectedness matters, vision, value, support, professional development, and embracement. Through these steps, faculty and staff will have the time to embrace the change that was created in this plan. Thank you for your time and consideration of the Higher Ground School District Technology Plan.